Mergers and acquisitions are much used strategic options to strengthen a company's market position. A merger is the combining of two or more companies into a single corporate entity, with the newly created company often taking a new name. An acquisition is the combination in which one company, the acquirer, purchases and absorbs the operations of another, the acquired. The difference between a merger and an acquisition relates more to the details of ownership, management control, and financial arrangements than to strategy and competitive advantage. The resources and competitive capabilities of the newly created enterprise end up much the same whether the combination is the result of an acquisition or a merger. Merger and acquisition strategies typically set sights on achieving any of 5 objectives. Let's take a look. The first is extending the company's business into new product categories. Many times, a company has gaps in its product line that need to be filled. Acquisition can be a quicker and more potent way to broaden a company's product line than going through the exercise of introducing a company's own new product to fill the gap. The next is creating a more cost-efficient operation out of the combined companies. When a company acquires another company in the same industry, there's usually enough overlap in operations that certain inefficient parts can be closed or distribution and sales activities can be partially combined and downsized. The combined companies may also be able to reduce supply chain costs through buying in greater volume from common suppliers. Likewise, it's usually feasible to squeeze out savings in administrative activities, again by combining and downsizing such activities as finance and accounting, information technology, human resources, and so on. Or a company can expand its geographic coverage. One of the best and quickest ways to expand a company's geographic coverage is to acquire rivals with operations in desired locations. Organizations can also gain quick access to new technologies or complementary resources and capabilities. Making acquisitions to bolster a company's technological know-how or to expand its skills and capacities allows a company to bypass the time-consuming and often expensive internal effort to build desirable new resources and capabilities. The final tactic is leading the convergence of industries whose boundaries are being blurred by changing technologies and new market opportunities. Such acquisitions are the result of a company's management betting that 2 or more distinct industries are converging into one and deciding to establish a strong position in consolidating markets by bringing together the resources and products of several different companies. Combining the operations of 2 companies via merger and acquisition is an attractive strategic option for achieving operating economies, strengthening the resulting company's competencies and competitiveness, and opening avenues for a new market opportunity.